welcome to the first review on the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Aukey 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. So we are going to be putting this keyboard through a few tests to see whether it is worth buying. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first test we're going to be doing is the sound test. Let's hear it. In my opinion, the sound is sharp and crisp, offering a satisfying level of sound. Now, let's take a look at the structure of the keyboard. The structure is very durable and solid. It is built extremely well and is very robust. The keyboard provides no bends, which may not be the best in certain situations. The keycaps, as well as the rest of the body, are made of plastic. Now we're going to be taking a look at how the keyboard feels. The keycaps have a very comfortable and grippy texture, allowing a tiny amount of slip while gaming. There may be no wrist rest, but this can easily be purchased, or for most gamers, they have a claw grip, so it should not matter. Now let's look at the visual aspects of the keyboard. In my opinion, the look of this keyboard is very classy. There may be no backlighting, but the comfy feel of the blue switches really make up for it. There is not a lot to say about this keyboard, as it is rather simple. To conclude, I gave the sound an 8 out of 10, the structure 7 out of 10, the feel 7 out of 10, the look 5 out of 10, and the price was £29.99, so I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to check out my social media in the description, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Goodbye.